His stepmom in town, he acting different now. You gotta show off the family. He liked it every time his family came to town when we were little.
No, I act different with my family too.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh my god.
They invite me to Thanksgiving dinner, like, that's how you can't act like you usually do. You can't act like that. They know me. Oh yeah, speaking of Thanksgiving.
I don't know. We might have a little something at our house and my grandma's.
Your house get good, though. I'll bring the corn.
I thought you said it's not in season.
I'll find some corn.
Oh, okay. Can't bring corn to the wedding, but you can bring corn to Thanksgiving.
Yeah, because
so you can eat our mac and cheese.
Like the natives, like the pilgrims brought to the natives. They brought corn and smallpox blankets.
And they brought death.
Yeah.
Tons of death.
Don't worry, you have your shopping.
Raping and pillaging. Don't forget that part.
Yeah, Christopher Columbus was a G. We had to get that land. The Spanish told him go find the gold, so the man went to go find the gold.
Why is so many gold?
Yo, because it's by the river.
He sucked muskets in his valves.
I got this bullshit sleeve. This is a teacher.
Yeah, how come you didn't come with no jacket?
It's in the freaking booth.
Oh.
I think it is.
Yeah, I seen it.
Yeah, I gave it to you, so yeah, it's in the booth. Yeah, my blicky's in the booth and my jacket's in there. They ask questions, but you walk by us, they'll tell me what's smoke. Yeah, I can tell it's winding down quiet. It's super quiet over here. It feels like New York. It feels like downtown White Plains. When's the last time you guys visited the city?
Last November, literally. Last time I was in the cities when I was with Mel to check out her job.
Huh?
Last time I was when I was helping her with her job.
Thank you, man. I love the outfit. We start running it. Yeah. I'm so organization. You didn't say that one. Huh? No, I'm like a nice year, bro. Just like
No, I'm most definitely the guy that's like, no.
you don't even pay attention.
Mint is a very strong flavor.
I know, right? Like,
Oh, y'all are looking fly.
No, you leaving me and shit. Go ahead,
This is Mel acting brand new when she in the city and shit.
we're acting brand new. Let's go now.
Tyler talking shit like he got an exhibit pass on him and shit right now.
Shit going in my ballie does. That's not even his. That's my mom. My mom gave up. What is this now? My mom gave it. It had tags on it, right?
Yeah, I be wearing it like it's mine.
What?
I be forgetting this jacket.
What, jacket?
Yeah.
That's it. Right? Oh. Right, thanks.
Y'all both born the same day and y'all both a little corny.
Team Leo out here.
Team corny.
Fake ass cancers, crowds over here.
Cancer, July.
Mr. Krabs pictures.
Nobody want to be no lioness.
The lion and the lioness. I think this is the reference
Well, you can't. Liam. Oh no, you can't go. Yeah, man, what the fuck?
Right here, what?
White man said we can walk. Now we walk.
This is New York. People can run down all the time out here.
Oh yeah, in New York, you gotta still look left and right even when it says you can walk.
Yeah.
My fucking Joes. But when Steve came back, you watched it, right? Yo, you know he has like a metal band? You know he has like his own like metal rock band? You're like he quits like Blue's Clues because he's tired of being known for that.
He went to the Marines and shit. He was in the Army and he was like in a fight in Afghanistan. Just a whole bunch of I think
He's clearly Michael Bay, bro. I told you. Tell everybody.
no, I think he actually went up to college. He really went to college.
All right, stay here.